Today I'm going to solder FPC connector. I'll solder under the AD407Pro, which is connected to an external monitor via HDMI. First, add a small amount of tin to the pins of the pad. Add flux and heat the pad. Make the tin adhere evenly to the pad. Secure both ends of the FPC. There is already a small amount of tin on the pad. We just need to apply flux to the pins. Clean the tip. No tin residue. Use the tip to heat the pad and melt the tin on the pad to connect it to the pins. Solder carefully and slowly. Use HDMI to output the picture, which is suitable for teaching demonstration. Done. Andonstar, your useful teaching tool.